Hello, everyone. Leslie McDonnell here with Remax Select Properties. It is December 2023, and I have had several people ask me sort of what's going on in the market right now. Overall, we're seeing the market is a little on the slower side. It's not any sort of crazy frenzy, and I have to say I'm loving it. Buyers have opportunity to look at homes and digest the information and then come back to properties. We are still seeing business happen. The buyers that are willing to be in the market right now, I think, are not realizing how amazing it is to be a buyer because you can take your time. You can have subjects and offers. You're not in this like crazy stress that sometimes the market will put people in. Not to say, I mean, buying a house is stressful regardless. But I'm here to try and help make it as less stressful as possible. We are seeing a little less inventory. There's not a lot of things, which is causing some buyers to just sort of sit and wait, just because the lack of inventory. I do think that we're going to see a fair amount of inventory in the spring market. And I have a feeling that we're going to have a very busy spring market. The reason I say that is because there is a lot of pent-up demand that has been holding for about 8 months now. There's a lot of buyers that are just kind of waiting to see what's going to happen with interest rates, what's going to happen with listings on the market, where are sellers' expectations. And we're starting to see a lot of that come together. Bank of Canada announced once again today that the interest rates are going to hold. That was the expectation. Personally, I think that the Bank of Canada is going to hold rates until probably about April. They're going to keep them going. I feel in March, they're going to keep them the same to motivate some people to sort of make some moves, not make any huge changes, and then see what happens in April. They might hold them still. I don't know if we're really going to see a rate cut. I think that this sort of 5%-ish, we're going to stick around this for a while. And I also think we're going to see more inventory coming up in the spring due to the Short-Term Accommodation Act that was passed in October of this year, and it's going to come into effect in May of next year. So that's probably going to motivate some investors to offload some of their short-term rental properties, or they're going to put them onto the long-term rental market, and there might be some people that just don't want to deal with that. So that's an opportunity for some new entry-level listings coming on the market. If you've got any questions about what's happening in the market specific to yourself, I am always here, happy to discuss, happy to create a report for you, whatever you need. And if you're happy with where you are, then that's perfect. And I hope you all have a fabulous holiday season. And yeah, thanks for watching.